Hi, Bob France here. If you're looking for a less expensive alternative to Obamacare, you've come to the right place. Unity HealthShare is our premier healthcare product. It provides coverage for individuals and families that is comparable to traditional insurance, but at a savings of around 30% or more. Unity HealthShare is not insurance, but rather a faith-based health sharing plan. This makes it exempt from the requirements of the Affordable Care Act, meaning that you won't be hit with a tax penalty for not having health insurance. But even though it's not insurance, Unity HealthShare Plans covers all of the health services you expect to find in traditional insurance plans, including over 60 preventative and wellness services, primary care doctor visits, urgent care visits, hospitalization, surgeries, and prescription drug coverage. You also get the convenience of a 24-hour medical hotline that allows you to speak to a board-certified doctor who can diagnose, treat, and prescribe medicine for you if necessary, all from the comfort of your home, or even while traveling. There are some restrictions, including limited coverage for pre-existing conditions during the first 24 months, and a lifetime payout limit of $1 million. Please read plan details carefully before enrolling. Members are expected to abide by a simple set of beliefs and pledge to live a healthy lifestyle. This helps to keep costs low and works in your favor if you can meet the requirements to become a member. If you have any questions, send us a message or schedule a time to speak with one of our representatives. We look forward to helping you.